Okay children, let's continue. I have said we are discussing how they have been suffering with hunger. So they are at the stage of starvation where they could die any time. Just slow starvation you can call this. So at last, so in this way past 3 months, that means since 3 months they have been suffering with the starvation. So you can understand children, 1, 2 days, 3 days we can stay. One day if you do any fasting, the next day we'll eat more to fulfill. Just to compare, just to replace that all what you have not eaten. Yes or no? So can you just think where since 3 months they have been slowly starving. So that's the situation they are just facing here. At last they got so voracious. So what do you understand by voracious children? Here voracious means they are uncontrollable. That means without food we can't control. They are dying with hunger. So they became so voracious, uncontrollable and wild with hunger. Means the hunger, they are growing up children, they can't bear that hunger. When you feel hungry, whatever, mommy, whatever you have, please give me, I am full hungry. And that case, since 3 months they have not. So they became uncontrollable, that wild hunger, where the starvation became more and more and more. So that one boy who was tall for his age. So comparingly, all of them were almost equal. So he was little taller than his age. He has grown little more, and hadn't been used to that sort of things. Here, that sort of things means here that sort of things. Here, that sort of things means nothing here for starvation. He was not used to that sort of thing, means he was not used to starvation children. He wasn't habituated of being hunger. Okay, so he never been, because for his father had kept a small cook shop. Because when he was living with his father, maybe because of some tragedy he has lost his parents and has to come to this workhouse or orphanage. So when he was there, his father had a cook shop. That means all eatery things available there, no need to worry. So he was, that means yes, he was not habituated of hunger. He never stayed hungry. So this boy hinted darkly to his companions, means threatened. Hinted darkly means yes, threatening, a warning kind of things to his companions. Children whom we call companions, those are with us together. Means companion means with you, your friend. When they are studying, your classmates will become your companions. So in that, those were staying with him inside this workshop called him companions. He threatened, means given a warning. What? That unless he had another basin of gruel per day, he was afraid he might some night happen to eat the boy who slept next to him. So he just warned, he threatened his companions, informed, warning, kind of a warning he has given. If at all I don't get an extra bowl of gruel per day, everyone will have only one bowl. If I don't get one more extra, I may eat the boy who is sleeping next to me in the night. That is the threat given by who? This tall boy. Understand? Who happened to be a weakly youth of tender age. So the boy whom he threatened, I might eat the boy who is sleeping next to me. That boy was a tender age, means very small. The age of him was very small. He was very small comparing to this big boy, and he was very weak, the boy. So they were afraid. So that was the warning given by whom? This tall boy, one of his companions. Told to everybody, told to all the rest of the companions, see, I have grown so wild in hunger that if you don't give me, somehow if I don't get an extra bowl of gruel, I I will eat that boy in the night who is sleeping next to me. And that boy was really small in age and he was really weak also. He had a wild, hungry eye. While saying that, when you see his eyes, his eyes were really wild, hungry. That means they could sense that hunger in his eyes. So they got afraid. They thought, really, this fellow will kill. You can't trust this person. And they believed him because what he spoke, his eyes also spoke the same thing. That means he is not lying. This is true. A council was held. Children, here council is a noun where the group of people group of members, they give some advice. So here council means the children, they gathered together to give some advice, to discuss what to do upon this topic, because this boy has threatened that I'll eat one of you. So that's really a big issue, really big an issue here. So what to do? So they have a council was held, means conducted. Lots were cast as to who should walk up to the master after supper that evening and ask for more, and it fell to Oliver Twist. So that evening, when after meal, when the council, when they sat together, so he said, ultimately he gave one, that I should get one extra bowl at the end of the day. When I am getting one more extra he wanted. So for that they can't give, because even for them it is very less. So they have decided that someone should go and ask the master, the person who is serving the gruel, to ask him one more extra. So lot many cast, means everybody voted who would go to the master to ask one more extra bowl. And it fell to Oliver Twist. So when everybody, they were talking, discussing and casted their votes, it fell. The turn came to Oliver Twist. Poor Oliver. You understand now what his condition would be. The evening arrived. The boys took their places. The master in his cook's uniform stationed himself at the copper. His assistants rang themselves behind him. The gruel was served out. The gruel disappeared. The boys whispered to each other and winked at Oliver, while his next neighbor nudged him. So the evening came soon. There was the evening. The meal was ready. The boys, everybody, they came and took their places. Means they sat over there. The master was already in his uniform, cook's uniform, to serve. Even station at the station means made him to took his place where bottom of that room where he should be in with the copper bowl. And his assistant, if you remember, two women, even they arranged themselves near him to help. So the gruel was served. Served out means given. Within second, all of them has finished the gruel. After the gruel finished, each of them started talking. Whisper means very slowly started whispering to each other what happened. And the person next to Oliver, who is sitting beside to Oliver, nudged, means pushed, signaled, go, it is you, you should ask, everybody finish, move, go. So nudging means just not making a signal, go, your turn to ask. So nudged him to ask, and all of them winked, go, move, go Oliver, it is your turn to ask today, move for the extra. While his next neighbors nudged him. Child as he was desperate with hunger and reckless with misery. He rose from the table and, advancing to the master basin and a spoon in hand, said, somewhat alarmed at his own courage. So even he was a child. What condition even he was? Even he was with hunger. Even he was going through that hunger, and even his eyes were with misery, with lot of worriness, because he has to go and ask. Just he came 3 months before and he has to face this. So he dared, stood and took his basin in his hand, that bowl with his spoon. He rose, means rose, see children here, rose is nothing but the past form of rise. So here it is present verb and this is the past verb of rise, rose. Okay, understand, rise and rose. So he rose means he got up from the table. And advancing means moving towards the master, basin and spoon in hand, said, somewhat alarmed at his own courage. Somewhat he got courage with his own, though he was fearful, though he was afraid, though he was having that what will happen, he got that strength from inside and just in a strong voice, little strong, not very strong, but little courageous voice. Please sir, I want some more. What did ask Oliver? Please sir, I want some more. Oliver asked for more. Did you get your lesson name, children, here? What is our lesson name? Oliver asks for more. So what did he ask here? So understood why the lesson is named Oliver asks for more. What did he ask? For extra bowl of gruel, extra basin of gruel. For whom? Not for himself, for his companion, because he was forced to ask. He do not have any other, did not have any other option, because he was casted, he was made by everybody that yes, you are the person who has to. Okay, now the interesting part of the lesson starts. What happens to him next? We got here our title, children. You understood why the lesson is named Oliver asks for more. More what? One extra basin full of gruel. Okay, we'll continue the next part in our next video, children.